morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. It's Saturday. Today's plan looks like some breakfast this morning, a 4-year-old's birthday party this afternoon, and guess what? There's going to be a jump house there. The gift we decided on is like a robotic dog that eats food and then poops it out. I mean, do we feel like toys are getting maybe a little too realistic these days?
We did not choose this toy. Nathan and Lyric chose the toy.
That's we. Like, we.
Okay.
Not
I don't want any part in this decision.
we chose the pooping dog. I mean, how can you not? 4-year-old birthday party. Here we go, we're going in. I may or may not be getting flashbacks. Starting to sweat a little. My ankle's throbbing. It's bad. Jump house terrors.
Ava, it pooped out food.
Party was a success. Ava's face got pretty excited when she found out that that dog pooped. So, what do you say about that? It was a good gift. It was a good gift, people. We are now headed to actually look at a house. Not quite sure if we are gonna buy or not, but we're thinking about it, and so we're looking at a few houses. So that's where we're headed now, and it's getting hot, getting real hot. Second one now, and it's still under construction. But it's not bad. Well, we drove almost all the way out to Oregon to try this new place called the Orchard House, and it looks cool, real cool. Meatloaf or finger steaks?
Meatloaf.
I haven't had meatloaf in so long. That sounds so good. Meatloaf! So, there's only one thing that I really don't like to eat, and that is mushrooms. And all of these guys are giving me crap because I will eat squirrel brains and all kinds of crazy things, but not mushrooms. So, I'm gonna try it.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
No, I'm not putting the whole thing in
Put the whole thing in there.
No. Oh, guys. I hate it
Just
so
put the whole
bad.
thing in, it'll be all better.
Stop.
You gotta swallow it. That's polite.
It's disgusting. It's terrible, and it's all stuffed with stuff too. The texture's bad. The taste is bad. Now I got mushroom juice all over me. Just got home, had a really good day. We looked at a few houses. A couple of them we liked. We went, talked to the builder a little bit. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about buying. Jamie really wants to buy. So I'm not really quite sure what's gonna happen. Then we went to dinner with some friends, and now we're home going to bed early because tomorrow's Sunday. So we're up early. So probably checking out for the night. Hope you guys had a really good day. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.